Hi, friends, welcome to our technology channel. This video is especially for the IT and business sector. The one who is a beginner in IT and the one who wants to increase the knowledge of IT for them, the course are available. Also, this IT courses that you enrolled are provided by one of the biggest IT company. So if you like who video, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get a notification. So, friends, one of the biggest company in IT sector is providing these courses. The company name is Infosys. Infosys is a global leader in next-generation digital services and consulting. They enable clients in 45 countries to navigate their digital transformation. With over 3 decades of experience in managing the systems and workings of global enterprises, they expertly steer their clients through their digital journey. By the last year, they had launched an online learning platform. To know that platform name, you have to watch this video till the end. I will not tell the website name now. I will reveal it at the end of the video. So now let's come to our main part, how to enroll these courses and get certified. First of all, go to the website. After entering, you will get to see they had successfully completed 1 year of this platform with totally satisfied learners. By the upside of the right corner, you will see register option, click on it. After that, it will ask for your first name, last name, email and then lastly password, and then click on register. As you click on the register, then the next web page appears and it asks for email verification. So go to your mail and confirm your mail that's sent by this online learning platform. After confirming the mail, you will get to see the registration form, filled it properly because these details are used while you enroll for certification. So fill the following details, that is the first name, last name, mobile number, referral email ID, highest qualification type, that is I am graduate. Highest qualification is a Bachelor of Management. Specialization in marketing. Then select the country, I is India. The state is my Maharashtra. My institute name is Amity. And I completed my graduation in the year 2017. After filling all the details, click on the checkbox and then submit it. After submitting, you will get to see the dashboard. There you will get the courses to enroll. There are 4 foundation course, 7 digital basic course, 4 soft skill courses, so let's go through some courses. First, we go to foundation courses. In that, first is programming fundamentals using Python. This course is especially for beginners. The objective is the beginner will understand the fundamentals of basic programming and learn to code in Python. The course is of 72 hours. Before going ahead, I would like to show you how to enroll the courses. As you come into the course, you will see 2 options, learn and assess. Click on learn. So there we go, you had enrolled to the course. Then the next course is object-oriented programming using Python. The course is for the beginner. The objective of the course is beginners can understand the basic concepts in object-oriented programming using Python as language. The course is of 32 hours. Then the next course comes is data structures and algorithms using Python. The course is for beginners. The objective is to learn the basics concepts in data structures and algorithms. Will be clear using Python as a programming language. The course is of 56 hours. Next course is learning DBMS and SQL. Again, the course is for beginners. The objective is beginners will understand the basic concepts of DBMS and SQL queries using Python as a programming language. The course is of 88 hours. Then the second category is Digital Basics. The first course in Digital Basics is Internet of Things 101. This course helps the learner to know about components of IoT architecture and platforms of the IoT ecosystem. Understand how to use Arduino to build prototypes, discuss and identify opportunities in their domain to implement IoT solutions. The course is for 7 hours. The second course in Digital Basics is Blockchain Overview. The course helps to understand the need for blockchain, basics of blockchain technology, different possibilities of blockchain implementation, main classifications of blockchain and evolution of blockchain. The course is of 4 hours. The third course in Digital Basics is Big Data 101. The course explains the fundamental concepts in big data landscape. Explain the challenges in handling large datasets. The course is for 7 hours. The fourth course in Digital Basics is NoSQL Databases 101. The course helps to understand the limitations of RDBMS and advantages of NOSQL over RDBMS. Understand the various categories of NOSQL databases course is of 7 hours. The 5th course in Digital Basics is Artificial Intelligence 101. At the end of this course, you should be able to demystify intelligent systems. Explore new class of business problems that need intelligent solutions course is of 8 hours. The 6th course in Digital Basics is Cloud Computing 101. This course will introduce you to the fundamentals of cloud computing, various migration strategies on the cloud. By the end of this course, you will be able to determine the appropriate cloud service and deployment models based on cloud consumer requirements. The course is of 3 hours. The 7th course in Digital Basics is Cybersecurity 101. By the end of the course you will be able to understand the common cyber attacks and their impact, differentiate between objectives and services of cybersecurity. The course is of 3 hours. Then the last category is Soft Skills. In that, there are 4 courses, let's go through it. The first course is Business English. The courses help to provide the learner with a complete understanding of the importance of parts of speech, to enable the learner to understand the different nuances of the 8 parts of speech, to equip the user to leverage the knowledge of the 8 parts of speech in English grammar for effective communication. The second course is the Basics of Business Communication. The course helps to equip the learner with knowledge and skills related to effective business communication, to enable the learner to use a variety of tools to ensure effective communication in the workplace. The third course is To Speak Up. The course helps learners to build confidence, to interact with team members and improve teamwork to meet organizational goals. Enables the learners to understand the nuances of speaking up to become creatively confident professionals. The fourth course is Email Writing Skills. The course helps to provide the learner with knowledge on the important aspects related to email writing, to equip the learner with the necessary email etiquette to aid them to write effective business emails. So friends, are some courses as you saw. So now the most important part, that is, I know that you are waiting to get the website name. So there we go, the website name is infit.infosys.com. The link is given in the description. Now let's come to our certification part. To get the certification you need to complete the course completely, then only you go ahead for certification. Now on the website, just come to the certification page, you can see the option above category. Then you will get to see some guideline, read it carefully. And one important note is, due to COVID-19 the exams are postponed. And the most important point is, if you pass in this exam you will become an Infosys certified software programmer. And you get a chance to get interviewed for a job at Infosys. So I hope friends you like our video. So do like, share and comment. That's it for guys today. If you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.